Is the Enjuvie magnetic lash kit really a scam or just misunderstood? I've seen all the heated reviews, so I went hands-on to give you the real deal for 2026. Here's what I found. If you actually receive your kit, it's not a fake. These lashes are glue-free, lightweight, and honestly they look super natural. For anyone who's ever glued their eyelids shut, yep, that was me, this could be a total game changer. But let's talk about the drama. Shipping times are wild. Some people wait over 2 months, and Enjuvie's customer service, let's just say it's not winning any awards. I saw a bunch of complaints about refunds going nowhere, lost packages, and even a few horror stories about used items. Yikes. So, how do you actually use the Enjuvie kit? Here's a step-by-step so you don't end up with magnetic lashes on your eyebrows. First, curl your natural lashes. This helps the magnets sit flush. Next, look for those colored dots to figure out which strip is the top and which is the bottom. Load them up into the applicator, making sure the magnets face each other. Line up the applicator with your lash line, then clamp to snap the magnets together. If the ends poke out, gently separate and try again, or trim them down to fit your eye shape. Thinking about buying? Here's my advice. Only order from the official Enjuvie site or trusted retailers and brace yourself for a long wait. It could be 35 business days or more. The 30-day guarantee sounds nice, but it's tough to actually get a refund. If you're not ready for the hassle, you might want to skip it, for now. So, is Enjuvie a scam? Not exactly. The product works, but the company still has lots to fix.